Hey everyone, it's Sophie here. Let's take a look at how payroll preparation works in Leapsome's HRIS. Now with our payroll module, you can define your payroll policies, assign them to employees and automate your payroll cycle. So you can customize everything from your pay frequency to approval deadlines. Now everything starts with a policy, and within that policy you can set up the timing and decide how proration works and define personal info and salary info that we need, also choosing which absences would affect this payroll policy. Then when it's time to run payroll, Leapsome will pull in all of the latest employee data, so salaries, absences, bonuses, even custom fields like health insurance or any deductions, and you can review it in this dashboard and edit everything directly. Now what's even cooler is that Leapsome flags to you anything that changed from the previous cycle, so we really help you minimize errors here. And once you're happy, you just export to Excel through Actions button, or you can connect to tools like Datev for a more direct submission. Now you can even upload past pay slips, which can live in the employee profile, or you can import compensation changes. So everything lives in one place and is accurate and consistent. So whether it's a full-time salary or even a one-off work from home bonus, Leapsome makes payroll super flexible and easy to manage. If you want to see how it can work for your team, book a demo with us today. We would love to show you more. And see you next time.